Hi, and welcome to OrderCup. Today we'll go ahead and set up your printers to print directly from OC Direct. To do this, you'll want to click on Settings, My Settings, Printers. On this screen, the first thing you'll want to do is click on Detect Printers. And then you'll click on the blue button that says Detect Printers. This will allow OC Direct to see what printers are installed on your system. Once you've done this, go ahead and click on Configure Documents. On the Configure Documents tab, the first one you want to select is Label. Click it and then click Specify a printer via OC Direct. This is going to give you a list of all the printers on your machine. In this case, I want to use my Z-Designer GK420 for my labels. So I'll select it and I'll hit Save. And you'll see here that now that printer is set to print my labels. If I want to change the label layout or the print layout, I can click on the last option and I can either specify a 4x6 label by itself, a 4x6 label with a packing slip, or I can have any other number of options. In this case, I want a 4x6 label with a standard 8.5 by 11 packing slip. So I've selected that and I'm going to click Save. And you'll see that is my layout. Now it's asking me to select a printer for my packing slip since it's not the same printer as I'm using for labels. So I'll click it back to the label list and I can go ahead and choose my HP Smart Printer here. And I can click Save. And for the customs forms, it's always a good idea to print that on an 8.5 by 11 as well. And I'm going to do the same thing. Once this is done, these printers are set to print directly from OrderCup. You don't have to have it go to the screen and then select the printer and print it. One side note is this print test label only works if you're using a Mac. That's it. Thanks for using OrderCup.